My latest release, the Dwarf Warrior, is now complete and test printed. This guy prints out in one piece. I enjoyed working on him and love how the pose and the axe turned out in the end. I added a plane of dirt to his foot, so fixing him to the base is easier and more stable. He is 55mm from head to foot. I hope that you like him, and if you're interested in printing him for yourself, you can support the channel on Patreon and get the download here, or grab him on Gumroad. Any money raised helps me find more time to devote to the channel and sculpting. I'll see you in the next one.